How to track steps without Apple Watch on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Health app on your iPhone. The Health app automatically tracks your steps. So, on the Health app, tap on the Browse option on the bottom right of your screen and you will see the option for activity. Tap on that and then tap on the steps option you see there. And in this particular interface, you will be able to view your daily, weekly, and monthly steps. Your iPhone tracks steps using its internal motion sensors, so no extra device is needed. And you can further go ahead and add the steps widget to your home screen. So on your home screen, tap hold on the home screen and you will see the option for edit. Tap on that and then tap on the add widget option you see there and further scroll through and select the fitness widget option you see there and then go ahead and choose your preferred fitness widget and then tap on the add widget option, and with this you can see your steps instantly on your home screen. And just in case if you are not being able to see your steps, then it could be that the motion and fitness is off. So launch the settings application on your device and then tap on the privacy and security option and scroll down and select the motion and fitness option. Further, go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for fitness tracking and you should be able to see your fitness tracker. Also, make sure to keep your iPhone with you in your pocket or in your hand or in a bag close to your body, as your iPhone only counts steps when you carry it. And just in case if you are not being able to track your steps, then you can also use third-party apps like Google Fit or Pedometer Plus or the Steps app in itself. So this was about how you can track steps without Apple Watch on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.